If I keep it honest, David, will you play with me? I will smile within the pictures and then let the music breathe. We'll let laughing in the lyrics, setting prose in all its pain. Leaving distance from those cynics, we will keep them all at bay. And we'll sing through the noise. Joy, joy, joy. I am dressed for the occasion, I am in my Sunday best. Worried through my altercation, you've forgotten the address. David, keep on playing, he is bound to show sometime. Take on all of the problems like he turns mud into sight. And we'll sing through the noise. Joy, joy, joy. I am trying to remember how I came into this place. I know the affirmation brought their promises of fame. Could my love for spotlight bring your greater love for grace? Shows are all over, you're the reason why I stay. We'll sing through the noise. Joy, joy, joy. David was the audience, always on your mind. Were you looking for a connection? Was it hard to find? I am dressed for the occasion, I am in my Sunday best. I will play my heart out and forget about the rest.